This is for the distributor. 2 bolts, 12mm, 1 and 2. That's all you need. 1 and 2. Remove this. I don't know why somebody put some gasket. I mean, not gasket, but some. This is fucking update. I don't know why I'm having such a fucking hard time trying to fucking put it in. This is the right part. So, as you can see, it's supposed to go in most of it. If you can see that gap, that little shiny metal is supposed to go in a little bit more. Somehow I installed it and the car won't start, but it's the timing chain because I removed the cap and the rotor is not spinning. I thought I had connected this right, or I mean wrong, but it won't start. I tried to remove this cover, but I can't fix this right here, this part, and remove all these bolts. I'll give you an update to see if it goes in or not. Again, I don't know why. It has to go inside right there. So it's supposed to go in it real easy. I mean, I'm not sure if these things, I didn't check on the other one, but they seem to be the same. There's a little gap in the middle here. We'll see right now what happens. I'll give you an update. Okay, so I managed to get it in again. I don't think there should be this gap. I think all the shiny part should be in. I don't know why it's like that. I didn't mess it up. I didn't force it. I was just trying to get it in. I think there should be another bolt, so it won't be like that. Because there's only 2 bolts. This is 12mm, and there's one in the bottom. So you got this right here. This one goes in here. That's an 8mm. That's an 8mm. I think I had it up here. It's an 8 or 7. I mean, you could do with an 8. Here you go. And then you have these 2 connections. Here. Yeah, there's one. Okay, this is an update. Everything was well installed. I mean, I didn't install this, so I'm gonna do it later. And this is the problem. I mean, the guy that sold it to me said he replaced it once. I don't know how long ago. I put like 80,000 miles already, so I'm pretty sure I have to replace it. So this cover goes in here. 1, 2, 4, 10mm bolts, and then you have 3 here. That's a 12mm. But for me to replace all this, I have to remove the mount, the police, everything, and put it back again. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it myself. I think I'm gonna have to need some help. I hope nothing like the valves and the what else, the pistons didn't damage, which to my little beautiful knowledge I don't think it did, because I don't think this one doesn't go inside the engine, so I'm hoping. Well,